Hello, welcome to our channel. First of all, sign up and leave your like. See the news we brought you in this video. Barcelona at risk of punishment for scandal with former referee? Understand La Liga scenarios and boss position. Javier Tebas, president of La Liga, spoke about the case involving Barcelona and the payments of BRL 7.8 million between 2016 and 2018 from the club to the company BarcelonaBarcelona, belonging to José María Enríquez Negreira, a former referee who held the position of vice president of the Technical Committee of Referees (CTA). The leader explained that, in the sporting sphere, the club will not be punished. This happens because, based on the new Spanish sports law, approved in 2022, even very serious infractions prescribe in 3 years, serious ones in 2, and light them in 6 months. That is, a punishment such as relegation in the Spanish Championship is further away. We are talking about punishments that cannot happen because 5 years have passed and sanctions expire in 3 years. On a sporting level, it is not possible for Barcelona to be punished, said the manager, in a video statement. That doesn't mean, however, that Barcelona doesn't run any risk in the future. At this time, the Public Ministry of Spain is still investigating the case and may decide to indict the club as a legal entity for a possible crime of sports corruption. And then there would be sanctions. The Public Ministry is investigating whether there may be a possible crime of corruption and manipulation in the sports field. We will see how this investigation ends. We will wait and respect the investigation. If the Public Ministry decides on a complaint, we will make decisions based on that, completed Thebes. How could Barcelona be punished? There are some episodes of corruption in sport that have been investigated by the Justice of Spain in recent years. The most famous of them, perhaps, what became known as the Caso Levante Zaragoza, which investigated possible match fixing in a game between the clubs in the 2010-11 La Liga season. As it would now happen with Barcelona, in the sporting sphere, the case had already expired when the trial took place. The Public Ministry, however, understood that there was enough evidence to indict Zaragoza as a legal entity. The club was at risk, for example, of having its registration revoked, which would prevent it, if convicted, from playing any competition, including the Spanish Championship, of course. It would be one of the heaviest possible penalties. Others would be economic sanctions. It turns out, however, that the team ended up acquitted. What is Barcelona accused of? Barcelona is being investigated by the Public Ministry of Spain for the payment of 1.4 million euros, 7.8 million Brazilian reals, to the company BarcelonaBarcelona, belonging to José María Enríquez Negreira, former La Liga referee and who held the position of vice president of the Technical Commission of Referees, CTA, between 2016 and 2018. The information was released by Cadena SER Radio. The MP's investigation is due to 3 possible irregularities in the taxation of financial years involving transactions. According to the documents in which the Spanish vehicle had access, the former referee did not present any document that proved that it was a service to Barcelona. In testimony to the Public Ministry, Barcelona executives stated that the invoices were supported by technical reports received from Javier Enríquez Romero, son of former referee José María Enríquez Negreira and administrator of BarcelonaBarcelona between 2014 and 2019. In an interview with Cadena SER, Enríquez Negreira admitted to having worked exclusively for Barcelona, but stated that he never favored the Catalans in any decision or appointment of referees and that his relationship with the Camp Nou club was only that of a verbal advisor, a kind of advice to athletes on how to behave in the face of arbitration. Josep Maria Bartomeu, former president of Barca, told Cadena SER that the payments had taken place at least since 2003, when he arrived at the club, and that they were ended in 2018 due to the policy of cutting costs. What did Barcelona say about the allegations? A few hours after the information was disclosed by Cadena SER, Barcelona issued an official statement on its website claiming to have hired the services of the former referee, noting that the practice is common in professional teams and that it will take legal action if there are possible insinuations against the club image. In view of the information published today in the program, KT Hijugs, Ducer, Catalunya. FC Barcelona, aware of the facts that the prosecutor's office is investigating regarding payments made to external companies, wants to make it clear that FC Barcelona has in the past contracted the services of an external technical consultant, who provided, in video format, technical reports referring to lower category players in Spain to the technical secretariat of the club. Additionally, the relationship with the external provider itself was expanded with technical reports related to professional arbitration, in order to complement the information required by the technical committee of the main team and the subsidiary, a common practice in professional football clubs. Currently, this type of outsourced service is the responsibility of a professional assigned to the football area. FC Barcelona regrets that this information appears precisely at the best sporting moment of this season. FC Barcelona will take legal action against anyone who harms the club's image, with possible insinuations against the entity's reputation that may arise as a result of this information. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love your opinion, it is very important for the development of the channel. And thank you for watching our content, and until the next video, don't forget to leave a like. Okay. Bye bye.